Hey guys, Juvina here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about the Sena 10C EVO. Today we'll be installing the Sena EVO 10C communicator. This Sena comes with a camera. I'm so excited. It's a huge upgrade to my previous one that I got from my cousin Guya Andy. That one was a SMH5 Sena. I also have these HD speakers that I will be using instead of the ones that come in the box. The newest Sena 50s, they come with the HD as a standard. However, now any old Sena, you can upgrade it to include the HD speakers. Apparently they sound a lot clearer. And I have this 128 gigabyte memory card. Lastly, I have here Ross Geller, who is dressed up as Sputnik. This is actually for my friend Terry's birthday. Happy birthday, dude. He is going to be my future riding buddy. Yeah. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. Hello.
Phone connected.
Phone connected. Okay, so now that we have the Sena on, we're gonna take it out for a test ride. The problem we found on our first test ride was when either one of us was listening to music and then we tried to connect to talk, the connection was not great. We would hear popping sounds, it was choppy and hard to understand each other. We even got separated by a light and it would only be about a block away. We would try to connect and it would say intercom failed. We had a feeling that something was not right. So after coming home, did some research and discovered after doing a firmware update, Sena recommends doing a factory reset. So we did that, tested it out again, and the sound was a lot clearer.
Hello?
Hi! Welcome to JuvinaRR's channel.
I don't know what you're saying. It's so choppy.
Hello, can you hear me?
Let me get close to you to see if the signal gets better.
Okay. I'll kind of chill off there.
No,
Nope.
not really.
Kind of.
No. Well, mine's not. Mine's really choppy still.
Oh, dang. Okay.
Hi, this is a test to see how clear my voice is.
Yeah, you sound fine. How do I sound?
Good. Roger. 10-4.
10-4.
Foxtrot. Uniform. Charlie. Kilo.
Foxtrot. What's that mean? What was he saying? Or the phonetics spelling out. Alright, I guess I'll find out later. Recording.
And then, yeah, you can follow me.
Cool, I will follow you. Follow you wherever you go.
Alright.
We'll back up. Alright, let's do this, girl. Ready. Bing! Here we go.
Hopper,
Oh,
look innocent.
act innocent. Give him a head nod. Because we're not speeding.
I'll pull you over for that.
How dare you look at me? A lot of holes in the ground. Give a shout out to these motovloggers who have been doing this for a really long time. It's hard to talk and ride. I guess I just have to get the hang of doing everything at once. You know, what is important is being safe. It's okay to have all these fun gadgets and whatnot, but as long as it's not taking you away from, you know, the focus, which is, you know, everything around you, being able to control your bike. So it looks like we're nearing the end of this path here, then we'll be heading back home.
So it's been a few times now that I've used the EVO, and my impression so far is that it's been really great. It was easy to install. The kit came with 2 clamps. I chose the one without the sticky adhesive, so if I wanted to transfer it to another helmet, it'd be easy to do and there would be no mess. I like that I can record both audio and video at the same time, just like my conversations with my fellow riders. Why this really works for me is that I personally did not want to have a lot of equipment covering the design of my helmet or making it look really bulky, so having all these features in one is an incredible convenience. So far, I've been loving it and I'm having a lot of fun. Now I can take you guys out on my adventures with me. So thanks again for watching. Please comment below, give me a like, and subscribe. Until we ride again, bye!
Excuse me!